So now let's see how we can work around with levels inside of Pixlr E. So levels is used to control out the brightness of the picture with detail. So to work around with that, I'm going to go around into adjustment and then I'm going to go to levels. So here you can see the level right here. The one in the back, this is the dark tones right here. This is the dark areas. These are the bright areas, the highlights. These are the shadows, and these are the midtones. I can work around with this to balance out the color, as you can see, as I can move the midtones. I can make the darks more darker right here, or I can make the brights more brighter. Usually I like to go around and you can see the amount of color by using this graph right here. You can arrange this out according to what you like. You can also make the darker areas more bright. So the black colors, as you can see, I can increase the shade of it, or I can bring down the intensity of the white as well. Similarly, I can go around onto red color right here, change around the midtones of the reds and so forth. I can go around, increase and decrease this around as well. Similarly, work around with the greens right here, individual channels, and work around with them. As you can see, I can increase and decrease the amount of certain colors. I can go around, add more blue right here as well, change around. So let's say, for example, add in more blue. And you can see the before and after of the image. I can press apply and there you go. And that is how you can utilize levels to change around the look and the color levels, the brightness levels of the picture inside of Pixlr E. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.